It's winter and there's no better time to have soups, stews and broths. This is going to warm your digestive fire and support your immune system. It's just so simple to make fresh, tasty chicken stock that you have on hand at any time. And I'm going to show you how. We make it every couple of weeks, so we always have some in the freezer. And all you need is 5 simple ingredients: chicken carcass, carrot, onion, celery, and filtered water. Simple. There's 2 ways of doing it. The easy way is you just buy the bones. You're going to be cooking these for a long time. You're going to be leaching out all the goodness and the nutrition from that marrow. So ideally, you want organic bones. Bones are a really easy way to do it, but you can also just buy a chicken. That way you get to use the meat in other dishes, and you can add the stock to it later on as well. This is a little more difficult because you've got to debone the chicken. The other way is easy because you've already got the bones. But I'm going to show you. So I'm going to debone this chicken, and then I'll show you a super quick and easy way to make the most amazing, simple, tasty stock. So there's your bones, and there's your chicken. Chuck the bones in the pot, and there's your carrots, just roughly chopped. None of this chopping has to be perfect, it's just a rough chop. There's your onions, and there's your celery. It all goes in the pot. Fill the pot with water, ideally filtered water. Put it on high so you can bring the water up to the boil, and then let it simmer for about 8 hours. You may need to skim the scum from the top of the stock that rises up just once. And if the water level drops too much, simply top it up. Then in the end, just strain it off. Put the stock into containers and you can freeze them down and use them again later. Not only is it incredibly good for you, particularly in winter time, but it tastes amazing. And there it is, fresh, delicious, tasty chicken stock.